Have you ever heard of the mysterious disappearance of Lake Peigneur in Louisiana? On November 20, 1980, this seemingly tranquil lake transformed into a gaping vortex of chaos. A Texaco oil rig accidentally drilled into an active salt mine beneath the lake, causing an unprecedented chain reaction. Within hours, the 1,300-acre lake drained into the mine, swallowing boats, trees, and even part of the surrounding land. The reverse flow of the Del Combre Canal temporarily transformed it into a waterfall, as the Gulf of Mexico backfilled the collapsing void. Miraculously, no human lives were lost, but the landscape was irreversibly altered. This bizarre and catastrophic event remains a stark reminder of the unpredictable power of nature and human error.